champs. How are you? Fine? Good. I am receiving your videos. I am receiving your photos. Very good. You all are doing good job. Keep doing it. Keep completing your homework. Okay. So, shall we start our day with a prayer song? Today's prayer is conducted by Master John Hansel.
Hey, let's say a little prayer before we start our day. Let us thank God for the lovely things He has given us. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So high, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Let us sing it again for all that He has given us. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Thank you, wonderful Lord.
Okay, very good John Hansel. I want rest of you also to sing the prayer song, recite the prayer song and send the video, and when you are doing the prayer, be in a proper uniform and do it properly. Okay, it's a prayer, you should do it nicely. Fine. So, shall we start with our Hindi language first? Okay, take out your Hindi book. See, we have learned till out. Yes, Au se auzar, au se aurat we have finished. Today we are gonna learn ang. What is this? Ang. Ang se angur. Ang se angur. Ang se ank. Ang se ank. Ang se anguthi. Ang se anguthi. Once again, shall we repeat? Ang. Ang se angur. Ang se angur. Ang se ank. Ang se anguthi. Okay. Anguthi, fine. Ang se angur bel par. Repeat with me. Ang se angur bel par. Bel is climber. We have learnt in EVS. Remember? Yes. अंग से अंगूर बेल पर खाएंगे हम तोड़ तोड़ कर. यस, अंग से अंगूर बेल पर खाएंगे हम तोड़ तोड़ कर. फाइन. नेक्स्ट कम्स aha. See, the difference between ang and aha is, for ang the dot will be on the top, whereas for aha it will be beside. Okay. aha. 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 aha से हा हा हंसते बच्चे, भोले मन के सच्चे. aha is ha ha ha. We don't get any particular word with this. We use it in the complete word. Okay. aha. aha से हा 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 हंसते बच्चे, भोले मन के सच्चे. Fine. See, one thing I want to make you clear is from R to OW, it is called as swar. What is that? Swar. We have learned from R to OW, these are called as swar, whereas and aha are called as visvarg or anusvarg. Fine. These two are called as visvarg or anusvarg, whereas till OW is called as swar. Fine. Now read this, tell mama to record and share me the video. Get your Telugu book now. So take out your Telugu book. In Telugu also we have completed till OW 2, right? So today we are gonna learn In Hindi it call it as ang. In Telugu it's Okay? This is called as Angadi, Andelu. Angadi, Andelu. Andam, Ambali, Amba, Andaru. Fine, you have to write this. While writing, you should recite loudly and write. Let's see what is the next letter. What comes after It's aha. Even in Telugu, it is called as aha. ఈ పదాలను పలకండి. In aha, we don't have any particular word. Like in Hindi also, we don't have anything with aha. In Telugu also, we don't have anything with aha. This aha is used in middle of a word, like antakaranam, antapuram. Can you see two dots in between these words? Aha, antakaranam, antapuram. Fine. In Telugu, the words from R to OW are called as achulu, okay, and and aha are called as ubhaya aksharalu. Fine, ubhaya aksharalu. Whereas when we learn from ka to bandira, this will come into hallulu. Okay, now we have done with achulu and ubhaya aksharalu. This you will learn once you go to higher grade. Fine. So complete your Hindi and Telugu. Tell mama to record. Then we will go with next part. Okay, today we will start with math first. Okay. See, last time in math we have done before, after and between numbers, right? So we will continue with the same. See, last time we have done till page number 28 in your math course book. Now take out page number 29. Here also you have got a missing number train. Can you see a small train pictures? There are missing numbers. You have to write the missing numbers in page number 29. Fine. Complete this. Then we will see what is there in our math workbook. Yeah, in math workbook, open page number 21. Here also you have got before, after and in between numbers. Okay. In the first row we have got before, then we have got between, then we have got after. Complete this, then we will go with the next topic. Yeah, in notebook we have done numbers 1 to 100, right? So now mummy will give you few missing numbers, before numbers, after numbers in your notebook. You have to complete that notebook work also. Fine? Now take out your EVS course book. See, last time we have learned different kinds of plants, right? So today we are gonna learn about, let's see what is there. Open page number 31. We have got a rhyme. Shall we recite? Eena, meena, maina, mo, catch a flower, love you so. This is the rose, this is the lily. These are for Eena's go. This is the jasmine, this is the lotus. These are for Meena's go. This is the marigold, this is the hibiscus. These are for Meena's go. Eena, meena, maina, mo, catch the flowers, love you so. Catch the flowers, love you so. So in this rhyme, can you see different names of the flowers? Yes, see, we have got lotus, lily, jasmine, marigold, hibiscus. These are all the names of different flowers. Fine. Turn the page, open page number 32. See, we have got colorful flowers here. Shall we read it loudly? Okay. Sunflower, sunflower. Rose, rose. Jasmine, jasmine. Lotus, lotus. Marigold, marigold. Hibiscus. Fine. These are all different kinds of flowers. We do have many other flowers that you will learn once you go to higher grade. Fine. Let's see what do we have in our EVS workbook related to flowers. Okay, take out your EVS workbook. Open page number, what is this? 14. See, we have got few flowers here. What you have to do is, you have to just write the names of 5 flowers, identify the flowers, put a tick mark and then write. Okay, identify the flowers and put a tick mark. Okay, we have got flowers and veggies here. So you have to just tick the flowers and you have to write 5 different names of flowers. Just now we have read in our course book, right? So you can write 5 names of flowers. Then in the second picture we have got flowers and veggies. You have to just tick the flowers. Fine, this is your EVS course book work. And if you have a garden or if you have some flower plants in your house, go to that place, tell mama to record a video and show me, like this is a rose flower, this is jasmine, this is hibiscus. These are all common flowers you will find nearby. Fine, record a video and share it with me. So take out your English course book. Last time we have learned tongue twister, right? Yes, I liked your tongue twister, John Hansel. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Nice it is. Did you all scream then? Did you get ice cream? Good it is. Okay, fine. Now, today in English, take out page number 40. We are gonna learn about blends. What are blends? What do you mean by blends? You know? I don't know. See, when mama prepare juice, she blends everything in mixie, right? The same way today we are gonna blend letters. Till now we have learned single letter sound, like A says A, B says B, C says K, right? So from now we are gonna learn 2 letters when they are together, what sound they produce. Okay? So in page number 40, first we will read out the picture names, then we will find out which blend is that. Okay? So the first picture is ship. Ship. Repeat with me. Ship. Yes. Then we have got shoes. Shoes. Next we have got shapes. Shapes. Then we have got shell. Shell. Shut. Shut. Then shine, shadow, she, shed. What is common in this? Yes, we are gonna learn about S and H sound. When S and H are individual, they sound like S sounds sir, H sounds her. But when they blend together, they make a sound like sh. So today we are learning about sh blend words. Fine. See, it's sh ship, sh shoes, sh shapes, sh shell, sh shirt, sh shine, sh shadow, sh she, sh shed. Fine. In English workbook we have already done with this SH words. Now we are gonna write blend words in notebook. Okay. So take out your notebook, write, keep a heading as blends. In bracket you write SH words. SH is sh words, and write all these words twice. Fine. Okay, take out your art and craft book, open page number 2929. just in our recent video we have done with the rain rhyme, right? So we have got an umbrella here. I want you to make this umbrella colorful. Fine? Color it, record a video and share it with me. So kiddos, you have got homework in all the subjects. Do your homework. Do as many practicals as you can do. Okay? Do your workbook work, do your course book work, do your notebook work. Okay? And you need to concentrate on languages. Not only in Telugu, you have to concentrate on Hindi language also. Tell Mama to record a video and share it with me. Meanwhile, stay home, stay safe. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye. See you soon.